Hey, what's going on guys? This is Cesar. Thanks for being here, and in this video I'll show you how to make money with affiliate marketing for beginners. So subscribe to this channel, like this video, and let's dive into it. Okay guys, let's do this. Remember that if you have any question that you need to ask, you can put in the comments below. Okay, first we need to find some products that we can promote for our affiliate marketing business, and for that you can put on Google muncheye.com, and we're going to click here in this website. And you can see in the screen, these are all the products that we can promote. But for this video, we're interested in this product, Chris Munch, the Loci Cycle. Why? Because the front end price is $3,495 and they pay 50% commission. But first, I want to show you, these are my results for the cash flow program. You can see the sales, $2,000 in sales. Past commission paid $864. This is to show you guys that it's possible to make money online with affiliate marketing. So we're going to return to the locicycle.com, and if you need a product to promote, you can promote this product because the launch is going to be October 12th to November 4th, and they pay a high commission. So what is the strategy that I'm using to promote this Loci Cycle system? We're going to go to my dashboard in WordPress, and you can see these are my posts, and we're going to click here in the Loci Cycle review. Is the best way to make money. This is a strategy where you simply make a review of the product, and you can see I have my article, and we're going to click here, business value / Loci Cycle review, and you can see this is a very clean article. I have here my form to collect emails, and if we go below, you can see I have all the information about this product. So you can see, guys, this is my article. The Loci Cycle review is the best way to make money. And for example, I have all the information, the Loci Cycle review, where it's amplifying his connection with Loci Cycle review, who is Chris Munch and his connection with the Loci Cycle review, who is Jay Cruz, what are the results of the Loci Cycle, what is your why, what is your passion, and I have here all the information with my keyword Loci Cycle review. And now I want to show you, this is a Google Incognito window, and I'm going to put Loci Cycle review, and right now I'm not in the first page, but I'm in the third one. In the third one, no, maybe the second one. I'm in the second one right now. You can see here, this is my article. Loci Cycle review is the best way to make money, and so I'm going to work on the search engine optimization to increase the rank and to go to the first page of Google. And this is a strategy, guys, that you can use right now to promote this product. So I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm going to show you this. We're going to click here to dashboard, and we're going to go to my posts. Loci Cycle review is the best way to make money because I have a plugin, and the plugin gives me a search engine optimization score, and right now I have a score of 95. And down below you can see here that I need to work in the focus keyword phrase in the subheadings because I need to use more my focus keyword phrase in the H2, H3 subheadings, and then the readability. I need to work in the transition words because only 25.5% of the sentences contain transition words, which is not enough. I need to use more of them, and I'm going to work on this article, guys, to see if I can rank in the first page of Google, and I'm going to give you an update of this affiliate marketing promotion with this product. So talk to you soon, guys. Bye.